Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to add or include important live events on your Facebook page profile. So if you had events in the past you want to update or include on your profile, and then I'll show you a quick method. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to log in your Facebook account on Facebook apps or on website. So pwedeng Facebook apps yung gagamitin mo or dito sa website mga kaibigan. And then open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser and login natin ang ating Facebook page account. So, click mo lang yan. So once nakapag-login ka na, and then dito lang sa ating Facebook page profile, dito lang sa taas, so makikita mo dito yung post, subscriber hub, and then yung about. So kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung about, so click mo lang yan. And then scroll down ka lang at makikita mo na dito yung live events. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung live events. And then, next step, makikita mo kaagad dito yung live events and add a live event. So, click mo lang yan. And then, ito na siya. So, create live events. So, share and remember important moments from the live. And then, nandito naman yung kanyang mga category na pwede nating i-select. Like work, educations, relationships, home and living, family, travel, interests and activities, health and wellness, milestone and achievements, remembrance, and then create your own. So for example, select lang natin dito yung milestone and achievements. So i-click mo lang yan. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So makikita mo na dito na pwede kang mag-add ng photos or videos. And then create ka lang dito ng title. And then ito naman yung date. So pwede mong ilagay dito. And then once na kapag create ka na, and then i-click mo lang dito yung done. Alright, so same naman dito sa other category. So for example dito, yung interest and activities. So click mo lang yan. And then same dito, makikita mo dito yung add photos or videos. And then add title and then yung date mga kaibigan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to post a live events on your Facebook page. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.